Top of this mic dusty. My boys. All right, I'm bullshitting. I got to speed run this shit because I still got a video. I was supposed to edit 2 different videos from like, one was like from 2 weeks ago, the other one from last week. But I'm just gonna put it into one video because I don't need, actually, nah, I don't know, that's besides the point. You're supposed to be recording a trade breakdown right now. So, this is today, Wednesday, March 19th. You can't see because my face probably coloring it, but today is Wednesday, March 19th. I took an L earlier, but this trade is not an L. As y'all can see, it's $1,000. So, let me break down the first one first. Coming into the day, we see this from yesterday, this big drop. Trump was talking to Putin. Boom, drop, cool. I took an L yesterday too because of this. This fucked me up. It dropped, cool. Now this right here is, overnight in pre-market, we climbing up, right? Boom. This is the rest of the day going into last night, right? Cool. So from all of this coming into the new day, what was this? This was 7 p.m. So this is technically not my trading session. So of the overnight, slash pre-market times, this right here would be the highest point. So these are my highs right here. Mark them off. Okay, cool. Now this is on the hour, so we're gonna zoom in. Cool, we go 15 minutes. Wow. Like I said, we're gonna pretend the rest of that ain't happened yet. I'm probably first looking at the charts around here. Now around here, we're making these highs right here. So I'm like, okay, my first thought is we're gonna come and take these out right here. And then probably reverse from there. Because of, this, so I'm like, all right, we might just keep going down. So I'm like, all right, we're probably gonna come take this out and reverse from there. Just move to 5 minutes so we can really see and get into it, right? So at market open at 8:30, well, it takes out these highs, right? At 8:30, it takes out these highs. That's the first thing I look for, right? Cool, so we take out the highs. Boom, right after that, we break structure. Like, we now have a lower low than these lows. Okay, cool. So now that's 2 things out of 3 things checked off. We swept liquidity, cool. We broke structure, cool. Now I'm waiting for us to come back into this, little whoop, come back into this order block. Let's go down to 1 minute so we can really, really see. Boom. I'm waiting for us to come back into here so I can, take some shorts and get up out of there. Cool. So that's exactly what I did. As soon as this candle came up into here, I got into a trade that looks something like this. Stops right above these highs. I need at least a 1 and 2, so this coming down here. It was probably somewhere down here, or it was probably all the way down here. I don't know. It was somewhere down here though. Cool. But as you can see, I lost immediately. It started going the opposite direction. Okay, cool. Let me zoom back out because maybe I did something wrong here. We zoom out. Right? Cool. So I zoom out. I'm like, all right. I still think I was right. But since what happened just happened, I'm going to give it some more time to play out. Cool. So I left the chart. I came back on around 9:30ish. 9:30 come around, which is like right here. You can see we're coming back down. So I'm like, now that we done came up into here, because now I see, okay, we needed to close this right here because there was nothing going on. This was all open, so we needed to close that. Cool. So once this get closed, I look and I'm like, at this point, do I think we're gonna come from all the way up here and just move all the way back down? No, I don't. So now it just makes sense to look for longs at this point. So I know I'm gonna wait for a retracement to get back in. What helped me look for a retracement to get back in? That Fibonacci. I grabbed that fib. Cool beans. We come back down. We go 5 minutes. Boom. We're gonna get a retrace down, back to this level, like to the top of this candle right here. As you can see, it obviously didn't exactly touch the fib tool, but it got close enough. And it had started moving back up. So I was like, okay, cool. I thought it was gonna come down here and touch it, but when it started moving down, I was like, shit, I already know the trade I'm about to take, so I'm just finna get in. So I got in right about here. My stop wasn't that far down. My stop was like right where this one is right here. It was like more like up here a little bit. We like those kind of trades. Instantly go hit my take profit so I can get off. This might be the end of this bearish trend that NASDAQ has been on for like the last 2 months. Like, it's really just been like, it's looking like we might be moving back up. Moving on up. Yeah, I'm gonna be back on tomorrow. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. You know, subscribe to the channel for more trading content. I got a vlog to edit. I got a basic video to record. And yeah, catch y'all boys when I'm back on the camera. Let's get money.